So hello friends, there was the Unstoppable Gamer here and I will come back with the brand new video, and today I will going to show you how to make like this cool speed art banner. And I make this for my channel, and you make this for your channel. So let's get started. This how to make this banner. So let's get started without wasting any more time.
Yeah, I need my money raw. Yeah, I'm looking at the bank, same as I do not want to jail. Yeah, nuts with my gang. You be just a stain. Cover on my chain.
And first of all, link is in description. Open the link, Google Drive direct link, and as you can see, speed art banner by UG. And click on this download button, and you got the downloaded and download it. I already download, then I restart the download. As you can see, this downloaded. Now open it. As you want to extract in your file manager, then do it. And use zarchiver. You want to download the zarchiver, link is in description. Download it from there. I search my speed art. As you can see here, my speed art banner by UG is link is zip is here. So I click in here and click on this second button, extract here. Apply to all files. I replace. As you can see, this is the password is unstoppable arts. Unstoppable arts is password. As you can see, my archive is completely successful decompressed. As you can see, here is emojis and the banner stocks. What we need to do. And now open the as you can see, click on this pencil button and write your text. I use your name. As you can see, I write it, and now I choose a font, and this time I'm going to American Captain. And as you can see, looks cool. Make some stroke like to with 10, and some shadow, inner shadow, and emboss to 90 degree, and 3D rotate is like 5 and 5, and 3D text, and make some depth like 15, and that's enough. Make some text size bigger, place it in middle, and make the transparent background, and save as image PNG. Make the format PNG and save it to gallery. Now open and see I am in PS Touch. Click this plus image button and go to where you have downloaded the speed art banner by UG. As you can see here, I click on this button, speed art banner by UG. As you can see, the banner is full completed, and now what you want to do, import a render and make it some small size, and turn like this, some happy emoji here, and make some size more on a minor and place it like here. As you can see, this looks good. And now I am going to use this one, and I place it like some size bigger, and place it like here. As you can see, it looks good. My some PNG was deleted, then I choose it from other folder. As you can see here, I want to use not a texture, yellow light PNG I will need. Where is it? I have much more folder. I pause the video and resume the video after find it. As you can see here, I find it the bokeh 3. Add it like this, and like this, and place it like here and like this. It's look good. And now click on this plus photo layer and add this emoji. the lion one emoji and minus some size and place it like here. As you can see, the banner looks good. And now click on the photo layer, and where you have to this text of your image in the pixel lab. Yes, here is it, your name, and untick the magnet this of the magnet and place it like here. It's look good, so look good. And now clear the background, so I here to the select pixels, click on this magic button and select the pixels. Oh no, I don't get it. Select all, don't select all, but I want select pixels. They are don't connecting, then I won't select the pixels like this. No, this, because of somewhere, as you can see like this. And now clear the PNGs at here, as like I am doing at bokeh image, at this image and at lion image. As you can see, this was clear and looks too good. And now do this like also at near part. As you can see, I am doing. You got the select pixels, then do it. I don't get, then I doing like this. As you can see, now our banner looks good and the banner were ready. And now go to this back button and save it. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and share this video to make other friends for his channel. And meet in my next video. Goodbye.